Hey, I'm Matt with Jet Shades, and I'm going to show you guys how to install the windshields in a Citation Mustang. So first we're going to get the windshield up in place here, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. But right now you're going to notice that there's some Velcro straps wrapped around the shade in 3 different spots, and we're going to locate that by put some blue tape just on the aircraft's trim so we know where those are, and just leave it away from the trim a little bit. We've already got the Velcro in place on this Mustang, so to remove the shade, we're going to start at this bottom corner and peel it away and let the shade pull out. Alright, now you take a look in the corners here where the blue tape shows. We've already cleaned this area with the alcohol wipe and installed the other side of the Velcro up in here. So the Velcro goes to the very edge of the trim, and like I said, that's already been cleaned and dried. So now we're going to reinstall the shade. We're going to start with this bottom corner right here. Get the bottom corner in place, push it tight against the Velcro, and the top is just going to come right in. And be sure to lift up in this corner as you're doing it. Make sure the top is just pushing right along, and then this last little corner right here, we're just going to bend it a little bit and push it all the way up. Now we can remove the tape, and it's ready to go.